Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 1101 South Lake Road, a premium building lot on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is an amazing property with a beautiful shale beach. So let's take a tour. This waterfront building lot is situated on over 2/3 of an acre, with 100 feet of lakefront and a beautiful shale beach with a point. Great for an evening campfire after those beautiful sunsets. For your convenience, this property includes a newer staircase for easy waterfront access and on-site electric.
We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen. Amazing one-floor living. The possibilities are endless.
Work with us in building your new dream home and receive a free appliance of your choice up to $1,000. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine building and living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1101 South Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.